Every day I wake with your name in my mind, a gentle prayer drifting through time. You are the gift heaven gave to my heart, precious forever, never to part. This love we hold is sweet and true, too beautiful to keep unspoken too. Let it rise like a melody across the earth and over the sea. Every note I sing, every word I say is a love song made just for you, my way. I give you the fire of my soul and rest beside your flame. I give you the fire of my soul and rest beside. In my soul still grow. They heal, they teach, they softly glow. Carry two hearts both near and far, to every dream beneath the stars. But through every road, through every mile, remember I am with you. My quiet light in your hands as you wander into the hush of night. I place my quiet light in your hands as you wander into the hush of night. I place my quiet light in your hands as you wander into the hush of night. I place my quiet light in your hands as you wander into the hush of night. I place my quiet light in